Hi, I'm Sophie, and welcome to my world. And today I have a very exciting episode of Try It, Don't Buy It. Now, I'm excited about this episode because this has been a product that I've been really super intrigued about for probably about a year and a half or 2 years since it first came out. And it started appearing on like Instagram and stuff like that. It just seems like every time I would go to Pinterest, there I would see it. So I waited and waited and waited, but then this special came up and I could get the kit for like half price. And so I decided, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. So what I'm talking about is this My Intent. It's called the What's Your Word jewelry. And as you can see, I'm wearing one on my wrist right here. And the idea is that you get this little kit. And this is the one that I got. It came in a little box just like this from the Postal Service. And it has, inside of it, it has little word guides that kind of like ask you questions to help you come up with like what your word should be. Then it comes with this hammer. And this hammer is actually, believe it or not, it's a great hammer. It's because you can control it really well, and it's got a really heavy head. So it's a special hammer. I know you would think, oh, a hammer is a hammer, but this is like a really super special hammer that's definitely worth the money. Then it also comes with these little stamps. These are letter stamps, and it comes with this. And I also think this is the stamping base, and I have to say that between this and this, these two items alone make this kit really, really what it is, because it's a special design that allows you to take your washer and place it on top here, and it keeps it from slipping or doing anything, and it already would have the bracelet attached. Let me show you. So you get these when they come. Comes with, this one came with, I think there's 20 in each of these, 40 of these bracelets. I got the advanced kit, but if you get the smaller kits, they come with like 10 or 20. But these have 20 each of gold and brass. And then what you do is you take them out, and this slides around like this, and then you place that on the stamper. So this being cut away like that is great because it allows for the string and doesn't get in the way. And then you can easily turn the washer around when you're stamping. And what also is great is, see this little peg in the middle? It holds the stamper, like you push the stamper against it, and then it like holds it in place when you're hammering it. It's great, and it helps you to line it up, and it makes sure that you're lining up your letters perfectly each time, which is great. Okay, so what do I think about it? I've tried a couple of them, and I actually have to tell you, what's great about it is that right out the box, reading the instructions, you can make a product. It's not hard. You can see I made a necklace here, and I made a little bracelet here. And there's a learning curve at getting it perfect, I would say. I think I'm going to continue to play with it because, you know, getting the strike right so that you get it deep enough. Also, getting the letters close enough. I mean, when you just come at it outside the box, you're still going to get something that's cool and looks really great. But the more you play with it and the better you get at it, I think the better they'll look. And the more, like the words that I chose right now were too long. They kind of go almost all the way around. But the problem is, I didn't get my letters close enough. If I got my letters closer, then I think I could have gotten the whole word and you would have been able to see it without the string being in the way. Try it, don't buy it. Here's the thing. I think this would be a great thing to invest in if you're like, you know, like a camp, or if you're doing a fundraiser, or if you're a school. It's a great product that way, but it's not cheap. Like it works out to about $6 a bracelet, maybe even $8 a bracelet, depending on the kind and style that you buy. So, you know, it's not an inexpensive thing to do. Investing in the hammer, the letters, and the special striker, that's going to cost you $70 right there. At least it is right now. But if you are doing something like that, if you're looking for a really cool fundraiser, if you're looking for a way for, say, a group activity for, like, say you were going to do like a fellowship or something where you were doing a retreat and you wanted everybody to have something, or, you know, you've got a business meeting and you want to create something that bonds people together. It's actually a really cool thing. It's fun to do. It's fun to see what people choose for their words. It's not hard, so everybody can do it, and it's kind of a cool bonding experience. But the only detractor here is the price. So I would say, if you've got endless budget, if you've got a lot of budget, try it. If you're looking for something that's cheaper, this is not the product you want. You want to go with something, you know, like writing in Sharpie on one of these, or doing it with washi tape or something like that. That's the way you could get a little bit more inexpensive. But if you're looking for like a high velocity, big bang punch, cool thing to do as a group, I think that this is definitely something that you would want to check it out. So, you know, try it if you got the budget. If not, hey, check my website out, because I've got some fun jewelry that we make out of washers. And for more fun ideas like that, check us out at Sophie-World.com. And hey, if you like this series, make sure to give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe, because then you'll get a new video from me every Wednesday and Friday. For more fun stuff, check us out, Sophie-World.com.